Greetings, this is the Craftswoman. Welcome to my channel. I am a doula trainer, yoni steam practitioner, womb yoga instructor. I'm the author of The Dark Womb Redemption. I am a certified assistant midwife. And I want to talk to you today about sea moss. I know that it has been becoming a lot more trendy. A lot of people a lot more people are talking about it. And I actually learned about Dr. Sebi, and I heard him talking about sea moss. So I started to take sea moss before I got pregnant, while I was pregnant, and even after I was pregnant during my postpartum. And it helped me a lot during breastfeeding. I felt like it also helped me balance my hormones, helped me to feel good, gave me great energy. I used it in place of the prenatal vitamins while I was pregnant. Now, I'm not a doctor and I am not trying to diagnose, treat, or cure any type of illness. So if you have any type of medical issue, you need to refer to the medical doctors. I'm just telling you my testimony of what my experience has been with using sea moss. So I was using it consistently for a while, then I stopped, and I did notice a difference in my body. So I am taking it every day now, several times a day. I do notice that it does help me out. Like, I know that a lot of people, well, some people are already, healthy, and they're going to say they don't have issues with these, but it does help. It does help with your bowel movements, even if you're already having several bowel movements a day, which you should. It helps to relieve constipation, insomnia. Even if you're sleeping good, it helps to improve the quality of sleep that you have. I feel like it helps me with my menstrual cycles as far as relieving me of menstrual cramps. I also take my womb herbs too. It helps, it has a lot of different minerals in it. And as you know, a lot of foods that we eat don't have all of the necessary nutrients that we need. But sea moss is loaded with vitamins and minerals. It can also help you increase your milk supply if you are breastfeeding. If not, if you've just had a baby, it can help you with postpartum recovery. Like I was saying, that it helped me even with your hair loss. Sometimes the edges and stuff come out after you have a baby because you lose so many nutrients. It is stated that it helps with thyroid issues. It helps with your heart, your organs, bones, muscles. So if you need sea moss, I am selling sea moss now because a lot of people have been asking me to sell it. So you can go to my website, craftswoman.com. Also comment if you like, share, like, and subscribe to this video, please. Thank you.